I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Meta Knight in Super Smash Bros. Meta Knight is a formidable character known for his incredible speed and aerial prowess. He boasts 5 jumps, giving him unmatched recovery and air control. His attacks are quick, allowing for rapid combos and relentless pressure on your opponents. Focus on staying airborne and using his swift movements to outmaneuver and overwhelm your adversaries. Mastering his aerial game is key to success. Let's dive into some of Meta Knight's essential moves. His neutral air is fantastic for starting combos and racking up damage quickly. Try using his down air to spike opponents off stage for early knockouts, but be precise. The shuttle loop, his up special, is not only an amazing recovery tool, but also a strong attack that can launch foes. Practice linking these moves together for devastating combo strings and consistent damage output. Meta Knight's recovery is truly exceptional, making him incredibly difficult to KO off stage. With his 5 jumps and the powerful shuttle loop, you can often recover from almost anywhere. When your opponent is off stage, take advantage of his aerial mobility to edgeguard them. Use quick aerial attacks or a well-timed down air spike to prevent their return, securing early stock wins. Practice these techniques to dominate the edges of the stage. For more advanced play, incorporate his Mock Tornado, the side special, for horizontal recovery or to rack up damage in close quarters. Meta Knight's fast fall speed allows him to land quickly, creating opportunities for follow-up attacks or to avoid punishment. Experiment with dash dancing and pivot grabs to confuse opponents and open them up for your powerful combos. Remember, consistent practice and understanding his movement options will elevate your Meta Knight gameplay significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.